Hi, I'm Chef Elaine Good, and I'm actually an Italian grandmother and a certified nutrition coach. If you're ready to eat healthy and don't like that four-letter word diet, I'm the support you need. I work around food allergies and sensitivities, and nobody knows they're eating a healthy meal unless you decide to tell them. My cooking is based on the principles of the Mediterranean diet, and I do a very wide range of flavor profiles, including all the Mediterranean countries and Middle Eastern, Moroccan, Asian, Creole, Cajun, soul food. I do it all really with using healthy ingredients. So if you're ready to step into the world of really enjoying healthy food, I would love to give you the support that you need. Thank you. Chef Elaine Good. You can look me up online. I have a website, elainegoodfood.com, as well as Good to Eat for You.